Hey everyone, Jimmy here with Moxie Surfaces, and today we're going to be talking about the different options for interior panel-to-panel joints and connections. Exterior applications and the use of profiles and other accessory products will be discussed in upcoming videos. Detailing and installing all our panels is key to a successful project and best aesthetic outcome. It is important that panel joints are as seamless as possible in order to perform as intended, but to also achieve the aesthetic goals of the designer, architect, and of course the user. Each project and installation is different, which is why there are several ways to connect our panels. A butt joint is a joint between two plates, planks, bars, or panels when the components are butted together and do not overlap or interlock. A butt joint is simple and incorporates our INT1 edge finish. A butt joint can be dry, which means without any adhesive or tape, or wet, using transparent adhesives or VHB type tapes to make the connection strong and hold position. These joints can be used in a variety of vertical or horizontal applications, including walls, millwork, partitioning, and other applications. Dowel connections are used to strengthen and reinforce a butt joint and provide alignment for easy installation. Polycarbonate or acrylic studs are used and integrate directly into the INT1 edge. This edge can also be dry or wet, depending upon the needs of the intended application. Our tongue and groove joint allows two flat pieces to be joined strongly together to make a single flat surface with a seam that is inconspicuous as possible. It is as strong as a butt joint, and the tongue also serves to evenly align the panels during the installation for a clean, smooth surface and aesthetic. A core joint is used when the square footage of a project does not allow us to fully customize the length of a panel. The top and bottom facings are extruded to the required lengths, and the cores are set end to end, and then lamination takes place. The joint is internal and fairly inconspicuous. As you can see, Moxie Surfaces offers multiple ways to conjoin our panels, which allows the designer and installer the freedom to choose what connection best serves the project's intended purpose. For more information, please visit moxiesurfaces.com or contact us at create@moxiesurfaces.com.